How to turn off reminders, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off reminders, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just click reminders and you will find here this one, email. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see email notifications have been turned off, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.